In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide a page in Webflow the right way. This is perfect if you're working on a draft page, a landing page that isn't ready yet, or any page you don't want visible to visitors or search engines. This method is simple, beginner-friendly, and works directly inside the Webflow designer without needing any custom code. If Webflow tutorials like this help you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. All right, let's jump straight in. First, open your browser and go to Webflow. Then open the site you're currently working on. Make sure you're inside the Webflow designer for that project, not just the dashboard. Once your site loads in the designer, you'll see the main canvas in the center and all your tools around it. Next, look to the left side toolbar and click on Pages. This opens the Pages panel where you can see all the static pages and utility pages in your Webflow project. From here, locate the exact page that you want to hide. This could be a landing page, a test page, or a page that's still under construction. Once you've found the page, hover over it and click on the Page Settings icon for that specific page. This opens the Page Settings panel where you can control things like SEO, publishing options, and visibility. This is where the magic happens. Now, look toward the top right of the Page Settings panel. Instead of clicking the normal Save button, click the small drop-down arrow next to Save. This drop-down gives you additional saving options for the page. From the drop-down menu, click on Save as Draft. When you save a page as a draft, Webflow automatically hides that page from the live site. It will not be published, it won't be accessible through the URL, and visitors won't be able to see it. This is the safest and cleanest way to hide a page in Webflow without deleting it. Once you've saved the page as a draft, you're done. The page is now hidden and will stay hidden until you decide to publish it again. You can continue editing it, designing it, and testing it inside the designer without worrying about anyone seeing it live. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully hidden the page in Webflow using the built-in draft feature. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more Webflow tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.